It's just stuff.
Because even my hairstyle is not good right now. Nobody watch it. I keep it by myself, so I don't care.
That's good.
If I upload on the YouTube, then I will just select some parts only.
Or you could just not care about your hair problem. What if it isn't a problem?
What does it mean problem?
What if it isn't a problem?
Oh, then I will just upload on the YouTube.
What if you decide not to care about your hairstyle?
Only when I keep it by myself.
True.
Hairstyle is important for both men and women, but I think for men it's more important. I think
Why?
Opposite.
because depends on your hairstyle. Like you look real different. Of course, it's also for women too, but I think men look real different. Depends on his hairstyle. Do you agree with me?
I guess that kind of makes sense.
Yeah.
You have some sense, seems to. But
Yeah.
I think women care more about their hair, though.
Oh yeah. 'Cause their hairs are usually long, but they have many variations.
How's everything tasting?
Good.
Good.
Did you want some more water?
I'm fine. That's
Fine.
Thank you, bro. I like your hair.